Hi guys, here we'll have a little Vauxhall Corsa 1.3 Cdti Ecoflex. It's on the 58 plate, in black, 5-door. Quite a straight little car. There's a rip in the seat, as there is in most of these. I think it's the design model. CD player, air conditioning which does not blow cold. The engine management light is on, and the dual mass is a little bit rattly. It's 137,828 miles. Drives all well and good, but selling as spares and repairs, as it might need some work either now or in the future. Please give me a call if this car is of interest to you. My name is Mike Wells. My telephone number is 0777 5644 628. Oh, the glove box is broken as well, it comes down. Yeah, give us a call if you're interested. Cheap little car, and thanks for looking at the video.